In this video, I'm going to show you if this $10 roll of leather tape can fix my, new to me, office chair. Stay tuned until the end to see if this tiny roll can fix years of wear and tear. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Tommy, and I make videos about tech, EDC, and travel. If any of these things interest you, please consider subscribing. So recently, I was given this office chair from a friend since my last chair pretty much deflated after 5 years. I wish I still had a picture to show you, but the lower cushion was pretty much obliterated. Honestly, it was pretty bad and just downright embarrassing. So when I was first given this chair, I was only planning on using it for a few months until I could save up to buy a new one. But I was curious because I didn't know much about this brand. I decided to look it up online. It's made by a company called Humanscale, and the model is the Freedom Task Chair with headrest. And holy that price tag. I almost had a heart attack. Needless to say, I'll be holding on to this chair for a lot longer than expected. This chair was previously used by my friend for roughly 4 to 5 years, and as you can see, it's still in pretty good condition. The only major wear and tear that I can see, and this is a reason for us making this video today, is the armrest area. If you look closer, oh god. I'm not sure how this is translating on camera, but as you can see, the armrest here is ripped, and the foam or gel from the inside is somehow seeping through the cracks. This almost looks like a scene from a horror movie. I'm not gonna lie, this looks super disgusting, and it's definitely triggering my trypophobia right now. Anyway, after collecting myself, let's go back to why we're here. I did some research online and found this leather tape roll, and honestly, before making this video, I didn't even know it was a thing. With that being said, let's try it out and get to work. First, I'm going to create a template that roughly outlines the area that we're going to patch up. The good news here is that the armrest isn't all too wide, so I can get some pretty good coverage with this tape. The roll that I have here is roughly 4 inches wide, which would be perfect for a minimal and clean install. Now that we have the template, I'm going to hold this template up to our tape and cut the tape to size. After getting a general cut, I'm going to clean up the edges as best as I can. Next up, we're going to prep the surface before applying the tape. I'm using a lens wipe here, but isopropyl alcohol would work just fine as well. The key here is to make sure that the area is clean so that the tape sticks well. Hope you guys are enjoying this video and finding it helpful so far. If you are, I'd really appreciate it if you can drop a thumbs up on this video. I'm also going to apply it on the other armrests as well for a symmetrical look. All I'm doing here is I'm going to flip the template over and trim the tape to size, then clean and apply just like before. Alright guys, now that we are done, let's get ready for the big reveal. As you can see, I think it looks pretty dang good. The texture of the tape matches quite well with the armrest and also looks pretty natural. I'm noticing that you can still see the ripped seam from underneath the tape on the ripped armrest, but from far away it's hardly noticeable. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Even resting my elbow on it feels good as well. The tape is doing a great job holding those seams together and keeping the armrest feeling taut and tight. The adhesiveness of the tape seems to be pretty strong as well, with no sign of peeling on the edges. Alright y'all, and there you have it. I think it looks pretty awesome and not too shabby for 10 bucks. It definitely patched up the damage and seems to be holding quite well. For my first impressions so far, the tape seems durable, so I'm hoping that this will be a permanent fix. I'll provide my thoughts in a future video, however, if I do have any updates. Also, with so many of us working from home nowadays, I cannot stress the importance of a good chair. Please guys, do not be like me and continue to use a chair if it's not giving you any ergonomic benefits. I typically work in front of a computer for roughly 8 hours a day, so I'm definitely excited to be using this chair going forward. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video has inspired or helped you out in some way. If you enjoyed, please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Also hope you all are staying safe, healthy, and well during this time. Remember, if you are working from home, try to practice good ergonomics and get up and take breaks often, although I'm guilty of sitting too much myself. Anyway guys, good vibes all around and hope you have an awesome day.